I know. Half of you clicked on this video just so you can write a comment as to why I am so wrong. That's okay. I will respond to your comments. Every single one of them. But first, allow me to explain. Let me say it again. Dividend investing is the best way to invest. That doesn't mean that it's the only way you should invest, or even that it's the only way you can be successful. In fact, nothing could be further from the truth. There are millionaires and billionaires.
Millionaires and billionaires.
Millionaires and billionaires.
Millionaires and billionaires.
Who've gotten wealthy in many different ways, from cryptocurrency to index funds, to real estate investing, to owning their own business, and everything in between. That being said, I do not invest only in dividend stocks or ETFs. I've been very transparent over the years in sharing exactly how I invest in both my dividend portfolio as well as in my retirement accounts. However, there is a special place in my heart, a dividend-sized place in my heart, if you will, for dividend investing, and there are 3 specific reasons why. Number 1, dividend investing is passive. Dividend investing is certainly not the only passive investment out there, and it's certainly not the most passive investment either. But when you compare it to owning rental properties or creating a small business, it takes a lot less work. It is very easy to start investing in dividend stocks or ETFs, and the time necessary to manage your investments every month is very small. It's simple. You just buy quality dividend stocks and then do nothing. Seriously, there is not much work involved after this. As a dividend investor, you do not worry about daily stock price changes or even what's happening to the stock market throughout the month. Too many people let the daily changes in the markets and the never-ending financial news cycle dictate their mood. It's like you're letting the markets live rent-free in your head all the livelong day. The price of shares of the dividend stocks you own is inconsequential to your cash flow. The stock price could be down big and your cash flow doesn't change. The stock price could go way up high and the cash flow doesn't change. They are literally not connected. But that doesn't stop the Chicken Littles of the world from claiming the sky is falling every 15 seconds. It's not, and you are likely just fine. Do you wish to dial down the stress and anxiety in your life caused by the stock market? Come join us. The grass is greener over here. Reason number 2, no speculation. I hate to speculate. Speculation is a loser's game. From horse racing to betting on sports in general to playing the lottery. In fact, I played the lottery just one time in my entire life, and that was on my 18th birthday, which was approximately 17 years ago. I realize I just dated myself. I didn't win any money, of course, and over the years I have watched many coworkers drool over the lottery jackpot exceeding $500 million and even $1 billion, as if $25 million or even $10 million wasn't a life-altering amount of money. And at the same time, these coworkers created workplace money pools and encouraged others to buy in. I never did. Not only did I know I was not going to win any money, but I also knew that if I did win, my life would never be the same, with never-ending lines of fake relatives hitting me up for money 24/7 and never really knowing who I could trust. All that to say, dividend investing is nothing like the lottery. No speculation here. Dividend investing is actually like playing the lottery every day, but being able to almost guarantee monthly payouts that increase every single year. Now there's a game I can get on board with. As a dividend investor, you get to invest in companies that have a proven track record of paying their investors every single month or quarter and increasing that payment every single year. These are also the same companies that make money month in and month out. Contrast that with investing in companies like Twilio or Fastly, and even well-known companies like Twitter. The stock price, the overall value of the companies, is based on their future potential, not how much money they make right now. You know what that's called? Gambling. Maybe not with Twitter though, because Elon Musk is now in charge and I bet you it's going to be profitable really soon. The point I'm trying to make is we are not speculating here. Companies that pay dividends are profitable right now. Consistently profitable. There are no guarantees in life, but you get pretty close with dividend investing. Reason number 3. I saved my favorite reason for last. My favorite part of dividend investing is that these companies pay dividends. Now, that sounds silly, but let me explain. Most retirement portfolios create cash flow for investors by selling shares of investments and then living off the cash. That sounds nice and dandy, but what about when the markets are down? Big. What if now is the worst time to sell and yet you still need income? Selling shares when prices are low is an excellent way to blow up your retirement. Now, to be fair, financial advisors do a pretty good job creating stable income streams by adding guardrails and other rules around how much income you take, or creating multiple income streams with products like annuities. But isn't it so much simpler to just not have to sell shares? Just live off the dividends instead. This maintains your portfolio. It's like preserving the goose that lays the proverbial golden egg every day. It's the gift that keeps on giving. When you only live off the dividends, your portfolio continues to grow every year, as does your income. Eventually, your income will be so high you can't spend it all. This is where you have the amazing opportunity to bless other people and build generational wealth. You get to raise your kids and mold them into good stewards of the family wealth, which can continue to compound and make a significant difference in the world around you. That is what makes me genuinely excited for the future. Make sure to leave your 2 cents in the comments below. I respond to all comments received the day I post my videos. That's all I got for you guys in this video. Have a great rest of your day. And please make sure to stay healthy, both physically and financially. Have a good one.